Hello guys, I welcome you all. In today's class, I am going to discuss about order of operation. In this lecture, you will get to know how you can perform correct order of operation, and also you will see how one can modify values of variables by using Workspace. So without wasting a time, let's begin this video. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about that how you can perform order of operation by using addition and multiplication, right? Let's say you have a problem like this: 4 plus 2 into 3. So which one is going to be first executed, 4 plus 2 or 2 into 3? So definitely 2 into 3 is going to be executed first. So 2 into 3 is 6, and then 6 plus 4 you will get 10. So when you press enter, you will get 10 as your answer. Okay, now if I make a small change in the above problem, and the change is I am going to use these parentheses. So now what will be the answer? 4 plus 2 is going to be executed first, calculated first. 4 plus 2 is 6, then 6 into 3 is 18, right? So the prime concern is now whatever inside the bracket. Okay, so when you press enter, you will get 18. Okay, now the second problem is when you have addition and division operation, and the problem is like this: 8 divided by 2 plus 3. So in this problem, 8 by 2 is going to be executed first, and then plus 3. So 8 by 2 is 4, and then plus 3 is 7, and then press enter, you will get 7 as your answer. Okay, 3 plus 8 divided by 2. So what is your answer now? So answer will remain same. So if you write 3 here and 8 by 2 here, this will make no difference. So you will get the same answer. But if you write like this, 8 divided by 2 plus 3 with a small change by using parentheses, now your answer will be different now, 1.6000. Okay, now when you have a problem with powers and division, okay, so this is your problem: 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. So what is going to be happen? So 4 raised to the power 3 is going to be executed first. So 4 raised to the power 3 is what? 64. Then 64 is divided by 2, right? So definitely you are going to get 32 as your answer. Yes, 32 is your answer. Now let me make a small change in the above problem. By using parenthesis, and then press enter. Now your answer is different because you have used parenthesis. So now what will happen? 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. So if you solve 3 by 2, you will get 1.5. So if you write here once again 4 raised to the power 1.5, so you will get answer 8 like this here. Okay, now when you have a problem like this, 24 divided by 4 divided by 3, when you have a operation like this, so what will happen? So operation will be executed from left to right, always. So 24 by 4 will be solved first, and then whatever you are getting here divided by 3. So 24 is divided by 4. So what you will get? 6. Then 6 divided by 3, definitely you will get 2. When you press enter, you will get 2 like this. Okay, let me write one more question. 4 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. So in this case, in this problem, operation will be performed from left to right. So 4 raised to the power 3 is 64, and then 64 raised to the power 2, 4096. Now try to understand when you have a problem like this, minus 1 raised to the power 2, and then press enter. What would be your answer? Definitely not plus 1. This will remain minus 1 because you have not entered minus 1 inside the parenthesis. So what you have to do, make a small change in the above problem. Write minus 1 inside the parenthesis. So this is the beauty of Matlab. Now press enter. Definitely you will get positive 1 as your answer. So now try to understand how you can modify your variable value inside the command window by using Workspace. When you have a value of x is equal to 45 and value of y 89, and you have a third variable z. So you have a third variable z is equal to x plus y. Okay, so do not use semicolon. So x plus y, you will get addition of x and y. So 134 is your answer. Now if you want to change the value of y 89 and you want to replace this 89 with 80, so this is not possible in the command window. You cannot change it, but definitely by using the Workspace modification you can definitely change the value y is equal to 89 to y is equal to 80, right? So you have to click on this matrix 1 into 1 double, just click on it and you can see value of y is here 89. So just click on it and write 80 and then enter and close it. So here you can see value has been changed, y is equal to 80. So when you perform this addition z is equal to x plus y, so this will result, and this result will give you 125 instead of 134. I hope that you have got it everything very well. So I have a question for all the viewers. The question is something like this: 44 divided by 2 plus parenthesis 3 by 2 into 7 divided by 22 parenthesis closed minus 8 raised to the power 2. So this is your problem and you have to answer this in the comment section.